Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with My Creative Times 163rd edition release. And today it's her birthday month, which she will be celebrating her birthday on May 10th, which is Mother's Day as well as her birthday. So happy birthday and happy Mother's Day to you, Miss Emma. And also, congratulations on your 16th year of being in business. And I have followed you the whole time. And I am so thankful and so grateful that I am able to design with your beautiful products. So anyways, what you are looking at is the Birthday Fairy Wishes ephemera. And as always, I did add glitter to mine. And those are some cute little fairies. And then let me jump into what else she has released for you this month. Okay, so let's start out with the 2mm and 4mm half-back pearls. So some of these are a little gray tone, and some of them are ivory as well. So what I did to change the color, I just colored them up with my Copics, and it made some of them match my projects that I made for you. Then she also has the party cake die. You'll get 5 pieces in that. Love that. She also has Scoops of Fun die, and this is where you'll find the ice cream cone that she released. And it comes with a candle as well as a cherry that you can put on top. And love that, so cute. She also released Cute Card Scallop Layers. This coordinates with your Cute Card dies, the card-based die. And so these are really cute, love those. Party Banner dies. Love this because these are different sizes, a little smaller, perfect for the cake. Too cute. Then she also has the Fairy Special Delivery stamp and dies. So what I usually do is stamp them all out, cut them out, so I don't have to keep on going back and cutting them out, and it works perfect for me. Love that. And then something new for Miss Emma, we have Fun Water Album, and you'll get 11 dies in this set. So we have the front, and I also have some on back. And this is going to be perfect to use as a sentiment die as well. Definitely thought about that. And so this is really cute. Love that too. Paper, we have the Fairy Dust Florals 2026. And I showed you this in more detail on yesterday's video. So just go back one day if you'd like to check that out. All right, so today I'm going to be showing you what I created for today's project, and we'll just do a recap on the other items. And here's what I used to create my card today. These are the extra add-ons. So we have the 3.75 by 4.75 card-based layers. We also have the small flower dies, the medium teacup die, more cocoa mugs and stuff, 3.75 square card dies, and the medium bow die. Oops, as well as more butterflies plate dies. And here is how my card looks that I created for you today. I thought I would pull out that medium bowl die and make a bowl of ice cream. I love how it turned out. Love that paper in the background. It is just so cute, so pretty. Let's celebrate you. I did use the half-back pearls, and I added color to those. There goes that spoon. I made some chocolate drip to go on top of my ice cream, and I'll show you how I did that in just one moment. I also threw some strawberries in this time and a little flower on top with the half-back pearls on the inside. And I did stickle up some of the items there. I forgot to put stickles on my butterfly, but anyways, it's still cute. And I did color that up with my Copics and added some little gems on there. And then I also used, and I forgot to show you that. Let me grab that die, wood plate die. That's one more item that I did use on there. I thought that was perfect to set that plate on top of. But really, really cute. Let me show you how I created this chocolate drip. So if you didn't see my video yesterday, because I did explain it in there too, that I used the party cake die, and I used the larger icing, and I also used the Scoops of Fun die, where I used this layer for the ice cream. So I cut this out in chocolate, and once I cut that out, I just took this and laid that right there and just sent that through the die cutting machine, which gave me that layer to put on top of there. So I love trying to do different things with the dies that I have to work with, and love how that turned out. So anyways, love that. And then in the inside, I also just used that 3.75 by 4.75 card base layer. So let me set this off to a side. And here goes that other ice cream cone that I used with the chocolate drip on top. So that's how that looks. And I explained everything of what I used yesterday. So if you need to go back a video and check that out, please do. And then here goes the cute card die that I used with the scallops and a few layers from her previous releases. Love that. This is probably my favorite card here. Love, love, love this. And everything has sparkle on it. So pretty. I'm going to set this right here, slide that over. And then here goes my mini album, waterfall mini album. So let me just show you how this looks. And we're just going to flip through it relatively quickly, because like I said, I did explain everything yesterday. But there goes the first set of pages. And there goes that one. And I haven't done a mini album in years. And so this was kind of fun. Brought back memories. There goes that. It kind of reminded me of scrapbooking, which is where I started. And then there goes that there. But love how that turned out. I did that little bow on the side. But those are all of my projects that I created for you today. Please remember, today is release day. It starts at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And you can use my code if you'd like. It's MOE for 15% off your total purchase today. It'll be 10% off on any other day. Or you can use any of the designers' codes. And that's about it. Please remember to comment down below. Subscribe to all the ladies. Be 18 years old or older. And you'll have a chance to win a $50 gift certificate to My Creative Times store. And don't forget to go over to Instagram, because you'll have 2 chances to win. Comment over there as well. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.